This is spinach. Today I share with you how to make a Efo Riro with spinach. As you already know, this Efo Riro soup recipe is a spinach recipe. So I'll be sharing with you the health benefits of spinach as well as Efo Riro ingredients. And for the ingredients, I'll be using some onions, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, and red long pepper. I'll also be using turkey, mackerel fish, and over here are the spices for Efo Riro. I'll be using palm oil, locust beans, seasoning, crayfish powder, and salt. I'll also be using this turkey stock. Watch this video to the end because I'll also be using one ingredient which I think is optional, and that is why I did not add it in the beginning. But if you feel that it is a must, let me know in the comment section. So to start, I'll start by cleaning my tomatoes, my peppers, and my onions. After cleaning, I'll proceed to blend to a smooth paste, but I will not be blending with water. I'll be blending this tomato, onions, and pepper with something more spectacular and more delicious to get that flavor out. So, let me talk a little bit about this recipe. As you already know, you saw tomatoes, so you already know that this recipe is on how to make a Efo Riro with tomatoes. Yes, a Efo Riro can also be cooked with tomatoes. So if you're wondering if you can add tomatoes to your Efo Riro, yes, but you have to be very careful so you don't have a watery soup. Now, after cleaning the peppers, I'll proceed to blend like I said, and it's time to clean my spinach. I'll be using about 2 bags of spinach, and while I clean the spinach, let me talk a little bit about the health benefits of spinach. Spinach helps to reduce blood sugar. So if you're looking to reduce your blood sugar, I think you need to add more spinach to your daily diet. Also, spinach is good for your eyes. And if you always feel stressed or anxious, I think you also need to add spinach to your recipe or to your daily diet because spinach keeps the body relaxed. Because of the high content of vitamin K in spinach, it aids in good bone health. And that is not all. Spinach is rich in fiber, so it aids weight loss. To reduce hypertension, spinach helps to reduce anxiety and stress. The vitamin K content in spinach helps with the smooth functioning of the brain. Spinach also contains vitamin A and it makes your skin glow. There's so many reasons why you should add spinach to your diet. Yes, there's so many health benefits that you will enjoy if you begin to consume more of spinach. As I continue with this video, I like to say don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And if you're new on this channel, thank you so much for visiting. I hope you visit more often. Now, I'm done blending the onions. And the reason I processed the onions first was because I needed to scoop out a little bit, which I'll be using later. Yes, you would see what I'll need this just little portion of onions for. But as I was saying earlier, if you're an ardent viewer, I cannot love you less. Thank you so much for always visiting this channel. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Now that I'm done scooping out the small batch of onions that I'll be using later for this same recipe, I'll proceed to add the other ingredients like tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, and red long pepper. And here is the amazing ingredient that I think you need to use to blend your pepper to get that delicious, yummy flavor and taste. Blend your peppers with turkey stock. If you have beef stock, fine, blend with it and you will love the taste that you will get. Anyway, after blending, it's time to fry. I'll pour my cooking oil into my frying pan. My cooker is set to high heat and then I will proceed to fry my turkey first. So here is a cooking tip. Anytime you have to cook with fish and you have to fry fish, if you intend to use the same cooking oil for the fish and the other types of protein you want to fry, I'll suggest that you fry your other proteins first before you fry fish. Why? Because fishes have a strong aroma that can affect the cooking oil. But if you fry your other proteins like beef, turkey, or chicken first, then you give those proteins the benefits or the space to retain their own taste rather than taking on the taste and aroma of the fish. I'm done frying the turkey and now I'm frying the fishes. After frying the fishes, I'll scoop them out of the hot oil and then I'll proceed to cook. Into my pot, I'll pour the red oil. Some people call this red oil, but traditionally it's palm oil. As soon as the oil gets hot, yes, remember the little portion of onions I scooped out earlier? Yeah, I'm going to be frying that in this hot pot of red oil. After frying for about 1 minute, I'll add my iru in English language. Iru is called locust beans. I'd also stir fry for a while and then let me show you. You see, yes, this is the onions, tomatoes, and pepper mix I blended earlier with my turkey stock. This is lovely. This is nice. If you try this cooking hack, I promise you, everybody in your house will ask you, how did you make this delicious eforibo? Anyway, I also added my crayfish powder, salt, and seasoning. I'll mix all of this very well, and then I'll also add my turkey, fried turkey, and fried fishes. After doing all of this, it's time to mix very well and take a look at these ingredients. Yes, I did not show you this ingredient earlier because I think adding pomo or cow skin to a 4-year-old, to me, it's optional. It's something that it's not a must. But do you think this is a must? Do you think your 4-year-old is not complete without pomo? Anyway, let me know in the comment section. After mixing well, I'll cover and cook for 12 minutes or 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, on medium heat, this is what my sauce looks like. I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done. So I'd like to say thank you so much for sticking with me to this point. I'll take out the fishes. Now, here is another cooking hack when you want to take out your fishes. Before you put the fishes in, count them. So by the time you are taking out the fishes, you know the exact number that you're looking for. Because many times when your fishes are properly cooked with the sauce, sometimes they look like turkey or they look like, you know, something else different from fish. So just count the fishes so that you know the exact number you're looking to take out of the sauce. After taking out the fishes, I'll mix all of this very well. You also have to notice that so far I have not added extra water, and this is what you have to do when you are cooking a foil roll with tomatoes. Now it's time to put in my spinach. I'll put in the spinach, I'll cover and allow to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I like to say this, if you've watched my videos at this point, I love you. Thank you. So after 2 to 3 minutes, this is what my spinach looks like. You can see that it has gone down considerably well. Yes. Now it's time to mix very well. I'll mix all of this up very, very well. Remember, do not add water, and you don't have to overcook your spinach. Why? Because the vegetables and overcooking your vegetables would render most of the minerals and vitamins non-existent. After mixing very well, this is what it looks like, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to cover this pot and steam the spinach for another 1 to 2 minutes. But before I do that, I'll add my fishes. Remember the fishes I took out earlier? Yes, I'll add the fishes and then I'll cover the pot and steam for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. This is what my eforiro looks like. Well, now you know how to prepare eforiro with spinach. So, if you're thinking of other kind of vegetables that you can cook your eforiro with, you can cook eforiro with spinach, eforiro with shoko, eforiro with ugu, eforiro with kale, and you can also make eforiro with collard greens. Thank you so much for watching my video, and and I hope you watch my recipe the next time I post a new video.